if you're curious about AI but hate all the hype, hate all the edits and buzzwords and this and that, my goal is to do like one take, one idea, one tactic or something like that you can implement to use AI either in your business, to start a business, to be able to make money. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed because I don't know your work ethic. I'm not a crypto millionaire or an AI millionaire or anything like that. I am a guy that has a lot of business ideas, and with AI, I've gotten even more ones that I'm not even going to be able to get to, but want to at least be able to share and help someone out, even get started or get on the right foot or learn about a different AI idea or tool that they didn't know existed. So each day, today's day one, feel free to follow, subscribe, like,